Okay, children, continue for the next topic, that is fertilization. What is meant by fertilization? It is the process of union of male gamete and the female gamete. Okay, the male gamete and the female gamete, both of them united and then forming the zygote. Okay, that is containing this both. Okay, zygote. See this zygote afterwards develop into the new one. Okay, young one. Now see this fertilization, how it happens. A mechanism of fertilization I am explaining. Already I explained this female organ. Okay, female organ, that is the here the ovary, swollen portion, it is the ovary, and here it contains the long tube, that is what, that is the style, and here you can see the stigma. Okay, so this is the female one only. Okay, ovary. And now see inside what is present. Inside you can see the egg. Okay, so see that how it is. How the eggs arranged inside. Here the egg cell. Okay, this arrangement, that is the placenta. You will learn later how which type it is. Now see the ovary. Now I am just showing that self pollination only. That means in the same flower only how it happens. Now here this is the female part. Now in the same plant, what else is there? Male part, right? That is the stamen. So here what is present? And I am showing just in one only. Okay, see, step by step I am drawing it and explaining, so you all will understand how to draw also easily. With that you can explain also. This is the what, it is actually the stamen, right? Now here it is anther. Anther contains what? These small things, what it is falling, that is the pollen grains. What it is? Pollen grains, right? Now with the wind or by water, however that disperse, that means the pollination occurs. That time this pollen grains moves over here and comes here. This is the, it reaches to the female organ. Now it reaches from anther to here it reaches. Now one of them it goes, it started to germinate. The pollen grain fall on this stigma and now it started to fertilize. And see when it fertilize, that when it fall onto the right variety of the plant, then only the same species and the same variety, then only it the fertilization occurs. Now what happens? See, the pollen grains are there. This pollen grain started to grow. That time the pollen grain developed a tube. Okay, that tube moves down like this. Okay, comes like this. This is the tube. Okay, this tube is known as what? That is the pollen tube. Okay, pollen tube. It is producing by the pollen itself. And where it is moving? It is moving towards the egg cell. Okay, towards the female cell. See how it is moving. It is moving here. From here it comes. Now it, see. Now what it do? It just break the wall of the egg cell. Okay, ovary here it breaks this, then it reaches into the egg. Okay, here this is the egg cell, there it reaches. Okay, now see what happens. This pollen grains containing the male gamete, right? That male gamete pass through this. Pass through, first it make the way, that means path made it to move there. Now it got the path. Now through that tube, this male gamete reaches here, okay, reaches, and it pass and it reaches here, okay, and then it unite with the female organ. This is the female one, right? And this is the male one. So now both of them unite there. Then what it is, that process is known as fertilization. After that, the fertilized egg formed, that is known as the zygote. The new cell produced, that is the zygote. Now the zygote afterwards develop into a new one, okay? New individual formed. Now see, then when it fertilized, now the zygote formed. Now the see that ovules containing the female one, right? That ovules after fertilizing, it grows into a seed. That seeds only help for germinating, right? And making into new plant. That in different ways, right? That grows into, the seed grows into, that means the female one, okay? The fertilized egg grows into seed, and then this ovary, okay, this outside portion, ovary, that afterwards develop into the fruit. This portion we are eating, the fruit portion we are eating, and seeds throw away, right? Now see, and rest of the parts, these are only male and female. Now the rest of the parts, that the what else, petals and the sepals, these all things, what it fall down, dry and fall down or wither away, and only this will develop there only. With that colorful petals, everything will be withered off, and afterwards one stick like portion will be there on the flower. That one you should not break it, because that containing the fruit, that only develop afterwards into a fruit. If you are breaking that or plucking from there, then you will not get the fruit, okay? So understood this one, mechanism of fertilization. Practice this, draw this diagram also, okay? So read the chapter well. Thank you, children.